Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode.
Well, we weren't expecting this to happen today. This is really comfortable. And arm positions, that's quite nice. I wouldn't want it any higher. Power from 30. Go, 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 go.
Well, you know this is going to be good. So let's get into it. Cue the intro.
Well, today you join us, it's quite a special day because we have two Royal Enfield Himalayans, a Euro 5, brand spanking new, and also the Euro 4, the older one. And we're going to literally jump on them and compare them. And this is off the cuff because we didn't plan this video. So this is literally first ever impressions of these bikes. And obviously I've got the CB500X to compare them to. And the Sidekick has a very broken Aprilia that he's actually never ridden to compare it to as well. But today should be quite interested to see which one feels the best. And is it a future bike for the channel? That's the big question.
Feeling in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.
Well, we weren't expecting this to happen today, but we've got ourselves a pair of Royal Enfield Himalayans for a bit of a blast. So we're just going to see what we think. Now, Darren's on the Euro 4. I'm on the Euro 5, and literally we've just pulled away from the dealership. So it's our first time ever on Royal Enfields. So let's find out how this does.
Let's go.
Straight away, that's a nice neutral position. How are you finding it?
Yeah, to be honest, I would like it a little bit taller for me.
Is that your lanky?
It's not uncomfortable. An inch or so higher on the seat would be nice.
For me, being a swapping 5'8", this is really comfortable. And arm positions, that's quite nice. I wouldn't want it any higher. Give it a bit of beans, that's 60 miles per hour. That was, I wouldn't say it's quick.
No, but it's only 400, I suppose we've got to remember, isn't it?
Absolutely. It is, yeah, it's only a 400, that is very true. But it's got a lot of torque. There's a lot of, it's smooth as well.
It's smooth, it's definitely not snatchy. And I don't think you're going to be putting any power wheelies on it.
I don't know.
Really?
Right, power from 30. Go, 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 go. That's all right, man. I've got a brake now because there's a big bend coming up. To be fair, that's quite nice.
Yeah, it's all right.
Now, I feel, to me, this feels really light. A lot lighter than I was expecting. Now, normally, if we're going to do a review, what we're not really doing today, because we've not actually gone into any detail about brake courser and weight and seat height and all that really boring stuff people talk about. But just jumping on it, and like I said, this wasn't really planned, it feels like proper light. A lot lighter than my CB500X does.
Yeah. I've not ridden your 500, so I can't say, but this does feel They do feel right. They feel, you know, nimble. They're 60. A load of crap in the road, but I think it will sit at 60. Be interested to see what it's like as a dual carriageway.
Yeah, definitely. What about the display? Now, I think that is a nice, simple, good display. You've got your gear indicator, obviously. You've got your tripometer. You've even got the temperature outside, a lovely 23 degrees. Miles per hour. And then, of course, you've got a fuel gauge and you've got a compass in case you're stuck on the Strada, Florida with somebody with a Vespa who doesn't know where they're going. And obviously, you've got your... You've obviously got your rev counter, and then on the right is a stage-by-stage sat-nav you can connect to an app. Well, it's a lot like the B line, turn left, turn right. What's a nice little trick, really, because I have that big TomTom 550X. It's just a pain up the arse to carry around.
Yeah, see, mine's a Euro 4, so it's still got the older style display on it, but everything's all right, works as you want it to. Like you say, it's all there, you can see what's going on. Yeah, this is all right.
Yeah, I like it. I absolutely like it. Yeah, I mean, this, like you said about feeling nimble, that is, you could squeeze that through traffic and not worry at all.
Yeah, I would actually like to take this down some green lanes and see what it's like.
Well, if you bought one.
If I brought one, yeah.
You could do that. It's nice.
Standing up on it. Riding through the village. Standing up on it, quite nice.
You're standing up on it. I found that earlier. It's quite a comfortable standing position as well. And again, the bars are the right height, so you're not feeling. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You're not feeling like you're grasping down on something a little bit, trying to be more road orientated. I suppose the big question is this the go anywhere, do anything motorbike that everybody wants, or not? Tough one. Smooth. Look at that for power. Woohoo! Again, not throwing me back, but plenty enough. Up to 60, full throttle. Up to 70. So we haven't got massively long on these bikes, so we're going to quickly swap. Now, obviously, what I was riding was the 2021 that's obviously got the switchable ABS and almost like the B-line style navigation. And obviously, it's hopefully slightly improved. There's a few little bits differently to obviously the Euro 4. And you know, the older one, the Euro 4, a lot of people prefer this silver Royal Enfield, where you've got the metal Royal Enfield on here. This actually has an improved rack on it compared to the old version. This will take 7 kilograms. The old version, there was a few complaints about the strength of that as well. I haven't done loads of information on this. This is just what I've picked up by having a quick flick through the internet before coming to jump on these bikes today. But anyway, I'm going to find out if it feels any different, and you're going to feel if it's any different. So between us both, we'll work this out. Is this on it? Yeah, it's on its centre stand. Let's get on it the old-fashioned way. Oh, this feels heavier.
Yeah, I was going to say, this feels lighter. It does feel a bit different to that one.
Yeah, I think that feels lighter. Definitely feels lighter to me. This feels a little bit lower, this one as well, to be fair. I'm just going to go and turn this bad boy around. Oh, I do like the compass, just in case you get lost. I wouldn't have a clue which way I'm going, but I've got the compass.
It makes you feel better, doesn't it?
It makes you feel like you're more of a navigator. Right, I'm ready, buddy. You can go first if you like.
All right.
Here we go then. Beams on the Euro 4 for me. I mean, there's not a lot in it, is there?
Not a lot in it at all, no.
Not a lot in it at all. Well, I think the brakes actually feel a bit better on that Euro 5 than they do on this as well.
It feels nice going into the corners on it, to be fair.
Yeah, they do handle well. They're very, very sticky, is the way I'd put it.
Yeah, you don't feel nervous stepping into the corner. Not that we're massively leaning it in at the end of the day, but...
Do you know what? This doesn't feel as quick as that to me either, but that could all be in my mind because that's a brand new one.
Yeah, possibly. Just to see what it does. This is a nice straight down here, so we'll open it up in a sec.
How do you feel about the seat? So for me, I feel like this is slightly... It's a lovely seat, it's comfortable, but it feels slightly like it's pushing me forwards.
It just feels a little bit small to me. But that's just personally.
So the interesting thing, right, if you're looking at buying a Euro 5, brand new one, right, they're basically around, because you might get a better deal than this, but £4,699 on the road, right? That's a cracking deal for an adventure bike. And these Euro 4s, you can pick these up, you know, a ropey one at the top of free, but reality, they're holding their money. Like, a lot of them are for sale near the £4,000 mark. So they're not losing money.
No, they're, you know, for the money, when you look at it for the money, you can't really complain with them, can you?
No, you really can't. I mean, what can compete against this? Let's be fair. I feel like Royal Enfield have come a long, long way. Walking around and looking at the build quality. Now, I sat on a Royal Enfield many years ago, and I just thought, you know what, it feels cheap. I'm not going to lie, it felt cheap. Now, don't get me wrong, this doesn't feel like BMW Triumph build quality. Just looking at the Euro 4 version and the Euro 5, it doesn't feel it. You know, it's plasticky, but it also looks very functional and very easy to work on. And that is, for me, I think, a big thing that you learn when you're out doing an adventure. You want a bike you can get to the spark plug on. You want a bike that you can easily get to fix. As a really quick summary of this bike, for the money, for what you get, for the ride quality, the feel, I'm pretty sold on it, to be fair. And I can see us off-roading on it.
I would be very interested in taking this off-roading and just seeing what it's like.
I think it already matches up to a lot of the qualities that you're looking for in something because of the lightness of the feel, the feet on the floor. I think it'll do really well. Anyway, I think Royal Enfield have sold us 2 motorcycles, at least sold the brand today.
Yeah, you know, something I would definitely consider.
I'm more than that, to be fair. I really like it. I think it just ticks. I could imagine doing the Strata Florida and Wales on this. I'm not saying it would be amazing at doing it, but I think it would get through it really well. And it comes with that bash plate. Do you know what I mean? It comes with these guards as well at the top. It ticks a lot of boxes.
Well, the other good thing with these is all the extras are not, you know, they're not massive amounts of money like some of the bikes you buy. You buy bits to bolt onto it, and they're, you know, it's a lot of money. Whereas these are reasonably priced for the extras, aren't they?
And you get it all, didn't you?
Yeah.
For a lot less than what you'd pay. I mean, a pair of panniers on these are what? Got to be less than half the price of anywhere else that I've seen. It's not bad. Not for rugged aluminium panniers you can strap all your stuff on. Not bad at all. Well, anyway, we're back now, so I've got to hand these babies back. But well done, Royal Enfield. You've actually really impressed me today, and you've come a long way in my book. A long, long way.
Well, there you go. Another absolutely awesome episode. I just want to say a massive thank you to all the people that hit that lovely red button and subscribe to this channel. Without you guys, this channel couldn't grow, and it's going from strength to strength to strength. So thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button. Also, giving us a comment and a thumbs up. I massively appreciate it. I also want to say a massive thank you to my patrons. These guys are the ones that help support this channel every single month. And without them, I couldn't keep this content coming as quickly as I do, and let alone afford all the equipment and all the stuff we need to make these episodes happen. So thank you so much to my patrons. If you're interested in supporting the channel in that way and becoming part of what I like to call the executive patron club, then you can from as little as £1 a month, and you go via the link down in the description to Patreon. You get to see the videos first, and you get your names in the credits of every single video. And do you know what? You get to comment on them first, and there's a live chat on there. It is really a helmet head sort of exclusive club. It is really, really cool. So please check that out. Like I said, a link down in the description, as well as the merchandise shop where you can buy the most coolest t-shirts in the world. And of course, you've got things like the water bottle, the mug, all the stuff you see in other episode. It's all there in the merchandise shop for you to own yourself. So please go and click in the link, check out the shop, buy the mug that makes everything taste a million times better. Not proven or guaranteed. And then, of course, we live by 3 famous sayings on this channel. The most important sayings, the gospel of life, the thing that we all live by. And of course, that's eat pie, ride motorcycles, and be happy. I'll see you in the next bonkers helmet head adventure. Bye-bye for now.
Tonight we're running on the right track.